A very fine good morning to all. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to do a few sums based on the subtraction. Okay? And it's a part 2 of your chapter 3. Earlier we have completed the part 1 of chapter 3. Now have a look. As you all know that we have already started the subtraction chapter and covered the part number 1. So moving to the part number 2. In this we are going to discuss practice time 3 and 4, as well as we are going to revise the practice time 1 and 2 also. See, question number, write in columns and subtract. Question is given 7549 from 8748. Okay, is it clear? So in this, you all know that in the subtraction the bigger number comes first and then we subtract the smaller number. Taking away a smaller number from the bigger number is called subtraction. So from, जो from के बाद आएगा वो सबसे पहले आपको लिखना. Then this number below this number. Is it clear? Sure to everybody? 7549. 8748. It will come first. The number after the from, it will come first. Then this number just below the first number. Now, is it possible to subtract 9 from the 8? No. So it will take one borrow and become 18. 18 minus 9. And here left 3. So we have 10 fingers. So we have to reach up to 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's 9. Okay. Now, is it possible to subtract 4 from the 3? No. So, it will take 1, borrow, here left 6 and here become 13. So, again we have to minus 4 from the 13. But we have 10 fingers, so let's reach up to 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, it's 9. Okay. Now, 6 minus 5. It's very easy. 6 minus 5. 1. Now, can anybody tell me what we are going to do? Yes, simply 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7. It's 1. Okay? Sure? Clear? So, moving to the practice time 3. Yes, in practice time 3 there are 2 topics, subtract and check, and then fill in the blanks, that is based on properties of subtraction. So first we do subtraction with addition, or subtract and check. Okay? So, firstly perform the subtraction. 9 minus 6. Out of 9, subtract 6. That is 3. 7 minus 4. 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Is it clear? Use your fingers and perform the subtraction. Now, to verify that is your answer is right. The subtraction answer is right. What you have to do, add the difference to the subtrahend. This is the difference, this is the subtrahend. Add both. Okay? You will get the minuend. Okay? If you will not get the minuend, then it means your answer is not correct. Okay? So let's check. Now see, I have written here check, add, subtrahend and the difference. You will get the minuend. This is the minuend. That means your answer is right. Okay? Is it clear? Clear to everybody? Checking subtraction with addition. What we have to do to check the answer of the subtraction, add the difference to the subtrahend and you get the minuend. Okay? See one more example. See, 107 minus 101. 7 minus 1, 6, 0. Is it clear? Sure. Now, for the checking, you just add subtrahend and difference together. If you get minuend, then your answer is right. See, this is minuend and you get this. So your answer is right. Okay? Firstly perform subtraction. For checking, you have to add difference with subtrahend. Okay? Sure? Very good. Now come to the properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. See property number 1. Properties of subtraction. Property number 1. When we subtract 0 from any number, when we subtract 0 from the number, we get number itself. Okay? Sure? When we subtract 1 from the number, we get its predecessor. We get the predecessor of the number. Okay? Sure? And third is, when we subtract number from itself, we get 0. Is it clear? Sure? Once again, have a look on the properties of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from the number, we get number itself. When we subtract 1 from the number, we get predecessor of that number. And in the addition, we get successor. You all know? Very good. Now, when we subtract number from itself, we get 0. Okay? When we subtract 0, we get number itself. When we subtract 1, we get predecessor. When we subtract the number from itself, we get 0. Is it clear? Very good. Now coming to the next topic, that is addition and subtraction together. Addition and subtraction together. Now have a look on our topic addition and subtraction together. Okay? Now see. Here in this sum, addition and subtraction, 2 operations are given. So first of all, you have to solve addition. Okay? There is a rule that is Damas. I am going to tell you this rule in 4th class. Okay? So, but till date you have to just revise or just keep in mind that whenever the addition and subtraction are given together, you have to perform addition. Addition is the taller than subtraction. वो बड़ा है. Okay, is the biggest in subtraction. So we perform addition. Okay, just keep this thing in mind. Largest than subtraction. Okay, so first of all perform addition. 1432 plus 349 and you get 1781. Now from this you have to subtract 643. Is it clear, beta? So whenever addition and subtraction are given together, firstly perform addition, then after the result come, you have to subtract the given number, that is 643, and you get the answer is 1138. Is it clear? Yes. Now see one more example when the addition and subtraction are given together. Okay. So just add these 2 numbers. Hurry up, add these. Very good. Okay. Now, whenever addition and subtraction together, you have to add. Now subtract this one. Okay. Now see, after subtraction your result is 605. Okay. Is it clear? Whenever the addition and subtraction are given together, firstly perform addition, then do the subtraction. Okay. Sure? Sure? Now, with these we have completed practice time 3 and 4. If you have any problem, we are going to discuss your problem in our Zoom class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.